Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve a linear first order ordinary differential equation. A linear first order ordinary differential equation. So now how to solve a linear first order ordinary differential equation. The step to take, the first step is that you resolve the equation to be of this form. dy over dx plus p of x y equal to q of x. So after resolving it, after taking the first step to resolve the equation to be of this form, the next thing you need to do is to identify what is p of x and what is q of x. So now after identifying it, the next one you do is substitution. You introduce the integrating factor. This is what the integrating factor. So you introduce what? The integrating factor. So the integrating factor is I of x equal to exponential power integral of p of x dx. So now after doing that, the next step, the last step is to introduce what? The general solution. And the general solution says that y of x is equal to 1 over I of x. That's the I of x is the exponential of integral p of x dx. So 1 over I of x in brackets times integral of I of x q of x dx plus c. Now let's take all this step to solve. Let's follow this step to solve this question. The question says find the general solution of xy prime plus 4y equal to 2x cubed. Now, if you follow this step of solving the linear first order ordinary differential equation, the first step says resolve this equation to be of this form. So if you follow the first step, this is the first the equation is xy prime plus 4y equals to 2x squared. Now, we resolving it to be of this form. Recall that y prime is equal to is a first order equals to y dy dx, and y prime prime is equal to d square y over dx square. That's the second order. And still the same follow y prime prime prime. So now this y prime is still the same thing as s dy dx plus 4y equal to 2x cubed. Now the next thing to do here is to remember they said from the first step say that make sure that you resolve this equation, resolve it to be of this form. Make sure that it is of this form. And here it's not of this form because the y dx is not standing alone as according to this order, the first step. So the next thing to do, if we divide both sides by x, let's divide both sides by x, divide both sides by s, we have dy over ds. This, if you divide both sides by s, this s will cancel out, so it becomes, we have 4y over x equal to 2x cubed over what? X. So this is equal to dy dx (4 plus 4xy) equal to x can cancel at 1x here, so you are left with 2x squared. You are left with 2x squared. Now, the second step says that identify what p of x is and q of x. Now, from this question, p of x is what? 4 over x. This is p of x, which is y. The coefficient of y is p of x. So the coefficient of y here is 4 over x. So we'll say p of x is equal to 4 over x, and q of x is equal to what? Is equal to 2x squared. Now the next step, say we have to introduce what? The integrating factor. Introducing the integrating factor, I of x equal to exponential integral of p of x dx. So now, what is the value for p of x? The value for p of x, so we have exponential here, integral. Value for p of x is what? 4 over x. 4 over x. So yeah, we have 4 over x. 4 over x dx. Now 4 over x dx, this is equal to I of x is equal to exponential. Is that y of x is equal to 1 over I of x times integral of I of x q of x dx plus c. So now y of x is equal to 1 over, what is the value for I of x? It's x raised to power what? 4. We have x raised to power 4 here. This is times integral of I of x, x raised to power 4. You just substitute. Q of x is what? 2x squared. 2x squared dx plus c. dx plus c. So now this 2 is a constant. Y of x is equal to 1 over x4. This 2 now is a constant, so this 2 will come out, bring it out, and you have x. This is, if you use the law of indices here, after this 2 is out, there is x here. No, this is times, and there is 2, the x plus c. So now this will be x raised to power what? 6. To be x raised to power 6. So we have y of x to be equals to 1 over x raised to power 4 to integral of x raised to power 6 dx plus c. And this is equal to 1 over x raised to power 4 to x 2x 6 plus 1. If we integrate 6x, x raised to power 6, we have 6 plus 1 over 7 dx plus c. Now, if you integrate x raised to power 6, integrate x raised to power 6, your answer, we have y of x equals to 1 over, So we have, if you integrate this, you have 6 plus 1 x raised power 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 dx, okay, with the plus c. So this is equal to 1 over I of x. X 6 plus 1 gives you what? 7. So you have 2x plus 2x raised power 7 over 7 plus c. So now you can use everything here to multiply what is in the bracket. Remember that I of x is I remember that I of x is equal to x raised power what? 4. So this is equal to 1 over x raised power 4, 2x raised power 7 over 7 plus what? C. You can leave your answer like this. This is the answer, but you can still expand, remove the bracket. If you multiply this by this, you have equal to 2x raised power 7 over 4, sorry, x raised to the power 4, 7x raised to the power 4 plus c over x raised to the power what? 4 plus c over x raised to the power 4. And now x raised to the power 4 can cancel itself. X raised to the power 4 divided by this will give you 2x raised to the power 3 over 7 plus c over x raised to the power what? 4. So this is the same thing as 2 over 7 x raised to the power what? X raised to the power 3 plus c x raised to the power what? Minus 4. If you use the law of indices, you understand this. So this is our answer. This is how to solve ordinary differential what? Equation, linear form. So now, in our next class, we'll still solve further questions on ordinary differential equation. So please like and comment. See you in our next class.